Hey guys, today I want to make hobo wigs. Yes, and the leather is a sapphire leather. It's very soft and just like a very soft and just like a sapphire the rock. Yeah, it's really beautiful. You can see, and I can squeeze like this. And the leather is come from Italy, so the amount is not so many. So this piece is the last sapphire here. And after I make this, I have to make a phone to the leather dealers to ask them if the sapphire is still available or not. If not, I will so sad because this leather is really good. It's really good sale in my shop. Yes, because the blue is really beautiful, and the customer she want a wood button, but she didn't purchase the wood button, and in coincidence the button she liked is already run out. So later I will just add one fit buttons for her. Yes, because she is the first time to my shop, I guess. So maybe she just want to try the button closure. So I don't want just lose the opportunity. So I will do my best to make her feel satisfied with the button closure. Okay, let's do it now. See you guys later. Yes, I'm back. And you can see hobo wigs cover is here. And if you guys don't have any special mention to me, and this is I offer to my hobo wigs. The setting, the pocket is already setting. Yes, you can see the two folio pocket and 5 card slots here. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots here, and the 2 folio pocket. So and also I will also provide the pen loop here. Yes, and this one because she didn't purchase the button, but in the note she have leave a note to me. She want the button, but the button she want has already run out. So I just decide by myself to make this button to her. Yeah, I think it's her first time to use the cover has a button closure. So I feel it's really beautiful, and I wish she will like it because I just didn't want her respond, and I just make this to her by myself. Okay, so this is our hobo wigs, and next time I will make a 4 V pocket here with the V pocket folio here, and to instead one side pocket because there is a customer order she want like this. So in the next video I will do a custom hobo with cover. Okay, hope you guys will like the video today. Thank you.